Hey guys, today is what 29 September, and I just went out and I just went to a very difficult situation. You can say not difficult but difficult environment. HK Oscars Metro Station, and I did around like 6 or 7 sets. My plan was to just come here for 20 minutes and then just go to CP, but then I just let me continue because my first or second set just went well, and I'm like okay, it's like 40 minutes, and I was about to go because it's very close space sometimes. I'm right now in a very chill environment, but like there are some places which are uh, very super close. Like for example, in a square area, there may be 20-30 people, and they are all looking. They are just walking, so you can just stop a set and open. That's like fucking very harsh social pressure that you get at that time. CP may like this area Raju Chowk is like very open area, so you can just do like after some time something like that. But here, if you just wait, then it's gonna go away. So you have to fucking do in small spot. And initially, I was not feeling well. I was just because I came very late, and I was just I didn't do meditation well today, so I'm just gonna go home and do it again. And it's fine. I mean, I was just stuck at one set actually. I just pulled one other set, was stuck with her, and then yeah, started my day low and did around like 5-6 opens. And what am I learning for today? I just feel like whenever I have that fear, because I'm doing my forgiveness and I'm just forgiving my, so whatever self that I have, I just accept that and I just forgive that self. If I'm feeling bad at the time or whatever, like I'm just feeling heavy, not bad, but just like heavy at the time. So just forgive myself and just make myself in a very calm and relaxing manner. What happens, like what I have figured out right now is like, for example, if I like the set and I want to open, I just avoid that set. So for that thing, what I have done is that I just like go to the set and just like fucking go to the set and just follow the set and feel yourself companion energy that you have with yourself. That's this energy that like something is with you, or maybe you are with yourself. You just feel very connected. You just feel very kind of like blissful or happy or whatever the words, but it's like very different energy. You just tap into that at that time, and you just give yourself some time. Then the fucking you're gonna do it. It's like no fucking, but you just have to like push through it. And I'm just skipping sets because I'm noticing I'm just changing my pattern of game like right now, and I'm just following whatever I have learned from the boot camp that I did like on 2 days back. I'm just implementing that for like next 20 days until that becomes my habit, and then I'm just gonna level up to all the sets that I like. But I'm just gonna continue with that, like maybe do simultaneously both, just do all the sets that I like with the companion. But might have to skip few sets because I'm just doing with the like observation open. So that's like fucking next level because and also I just have very, because my hook rate is like gone like super high. Like it's just like if the set is into me, like it's like done. Like thoda sa into this done. Like it's gotta be hooked because it's actually more creative and it's actually spontaneous that I'm doing. Like for example, if you do spontaneous, like not comedy, but if you watch a spontaneous comedy, it just feels very different. And if the person is not reacting that much, and then he's or she is making react to you, that feels like next level shit, and that just hits very hard. So that's what I have figured out for as of now, and I'm just gonna continue. I just did like 1 hour today. I didn't lie to myself. I didn't cheat myself today. Maybe I was about to, but I didn't because that was just I just did it. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.